Okay, ladies, we just already go to the bathroom. Okay, I handled this from here. We're gonna keep going. Keep the lead. Let's go. Okay. Let's go this way. I also have some double speed. Double speed. Activate. Whoa! I didn't know where I was going, Kids Louise. Sheesh. Ouch. Didn't know where I was going, Kids Louise. Had to look back because the pants were back. But this rhyming is getting into my head. Let's go. Yeah! Woohoo! Yeah! Woohoo! Bob Rose again. Daddy and Mommy are back in business. I never saw that. Remember that jump attack? I don't think we should go this way. Around. Small mosquitoes. Wait. Hold on a second. Gotta back up. Because the parents are coming to town.
She said, oh, you stood up for the mom. Because I still heard the mom was trying her best. I wasn't like, she was like, you acknowledge everybody there. So with the lifeguard, the trainer, and things like that. And it's just.
Okay, we should go now. Ouch. Come on. This thing is reckless. Come on. La 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 ho. La 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 la. Okay. Whoa! No! I never saw that before. I also make a skid mark. That was cool. But time to go. Whoa! Fix that. Oh yeah! Ha! Woo! Excuse me.
Right?
Okay, let's go. Oh no. Hey, there's a cute little puppy. No. Guys, I think I'm running out of speed. What? Oh, sorry. My body doesn't have any strength right now. Maybe I'm gonna have to go home. Double speed, activate. Ha! How do you wait? Come on. This is for the last time. Ha! How do these Hot Wheels? Oh, come on. This is reckless. Mo. go this way. Wait. Gotta wait for the people. Whoa. Whoa. Don't fall down. Hey. Connect that. Right here. Connect. Snapped in. Oh no. Go! Whoa! I'm sorry, he's a... Okay. Okay, I will. I know it will make a U-turn. Sorry, because we can't go that way. We're probably gonna have to... Wait, yeah. We're probably gonna have to turn around, yeah. Come on, how do you make a U-turn? Come on, kids, please. Ugh. Come on. All right, let's go. Ah, come on. These pedals are really old. I think we should donate this bike. Yeah. Give this to another kid because this is crazy news. Ah. Come on! I hate hills. Ugh. Okay, guys, we're gonna have to lock this up because I hate hills. Ugh. Great, I made it. Phew. Okay, let's get back to racing. Excuse me, coming through.
Oh, I want this to fall off now.
I think something bad is happening.
This is going to be, you think something bad is happening? Why do you think that? Why do you think so?
Not all the way. You're putting too much pressure on it. All right. Put it right
Okay,
there.
this one. Okay.
There's
good.
nothing bad happening.
Nothing's bad. No, nothing bad is going to happen.
I think I'm just playing around.
Yeah,
Oh, okay.
don't play like that.
Positive thinking.
Everything good.
Fighting crime. Jackson. Okay. Whoa! Yeah! I couldn't reach that over here. Phew. Bumpy ride. And he got that car. Oh no! I think I should go off the seat. Oh no! Brake! Oh, I should brake over the next one. Shock! Collect! Okay! I'll wait for you. What just happened? So, Daddy called me. I think I should go. On the speed bumps again, but Daddy will go further ado. No, without further ado, we keep on rolling. Let's go. Oh no! Ah! Oh. Oh. Okay. Let's go. Okay. Enough joking around. What? Oh no! You gotta stop because the persons are coming down. Shops and what?
You almost know when the moment is about to happen. You almost know when it's
What just happened? Excuse me, mommy. What just happened? Why did you call me?
No reason. Go.
Because I don't want you in the parking lot. Come back on the path.
Daddy, next time you guys have to tell us. Yeah, I have to tell me. Because mommy told me. I think we should go over more speed bumps. Speed driver.
Like, these are the moments you want to catch it, then you can't get to your phone fast enough. Or it's not turned on, or it's dying, or whatever the case may be.
Whoa, I shouldn't have braked. Okay, we'll try that again. This time, we use a hit.
You know, slow-mo or...
Okay. Okay, I got a brake on this one. There we go, nice and smooth. Okay, this time we'll stop. Okay, we'll stop to see if they're oncoming. If their cars are coming. No cars heading this way or that way. So we can roll out. Okay. We'll head over to the next speed bumps to stop. Whee! Okay, let's go. Okay, let's go. Okay, let's go. Just like I practice. When I go over to that speed bump, I have to brake with the GoPro. If I don't, then it will go bouncing around. See? Nice and smoothly. Chops and foots! Smiles, yes! Okay, brake. There! Woo! Hi! Okay! I'm sorry, everyone.
Sky? Check that out. Look what God did.
Stay right here so we can get it.
Look at the sky right there.
Oh, can I get it? I'm not going to get it.
Holy hot rods.
You gotta turn that.
Oh, which one?
What's that?
Yeah!
Maverick, get it? I don't know. Can we get it?
Yeah.
I don't think so. Wait, let go, hold on.
Oh, there it is. Oh.
No.
Wait, Maverick, he's
Wait,
trying
chill
to
out.
get the sunset.
I'ma get
There it
you, man.
is.
Yeah, turn it right there.
Oh, there it is. Okay. Hold on. You want to stand up? Stand up. Stand up on the pedal. We got it.
Okay.
Stand up. There we go.
Cheese.
Oh. I'm going to put some grab.
That was an amazing picture.
It was?
Oh.
Timer. Let Daddy get the position first. want to stand up?
Yeah.
Okay.
Right there.
Oh, hurry up. Let me get it. Did we get it? Wait.
Jeez.
Can we get it? Oh, where is it? Where is it? I don't know.
That toe this way?
I don't know, but it's a great
Check up. Check the other way. Look out. Right there.
There it is.
Ah, no.
Wait.
This looks like a big glove.
No.
Did you start screaming?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think we should do.
Would you stop screaming like that?
Yeah, it was funny.
Maverick, come over here. Here, come here.
Take a regular picture and then put a sticker on it.
Stay right there. Park right here. Stop, right here.
What?
Alright, stop the video.
Hold on. Yeah, right there. Hold on.
Monster.
That looks something like a sad smile. I don't.